Today it's the 3rd of June 2023. We have Kungsgatan 36 here in, but we probably don't have enough time, or like, what do you think, 1 or 2 rides?
Yeah, 2 rides because still.
Yeah, okay. It's at least fast enough.
Yeah.
It's here in Norrköping, Sweden. The right elevator was built in 1990, turned 30 years old in 2020, and its number is 74NE5624. The investee is 13 pesos on those numbers. For -1 is not.
Yeah.
It's unnecessary locked up. Does the Otis talk about the door rail?
Yeah.
And this is all this Euro for 2001. That's the animated directional arrow, which is also quite a bit rare.
Yeah.
The weather is not on those, but
Yeah. Inspected by the grant, maintained by Kony.
Interesting. It's like it's Otis 1 maintained by Kony here.
Yeah.
I like the sounds again.
Same.
Just upstairs.
Yeah.
This number is 74NE5623. Best 30 pesos on those screens. But the basement floor for -1 is locked up here. Here's the left elevator. Oh, this Euro for 2001.
Yeah.
It's all the Series 1 fixtures. It's interesting that they put Braille on them.
Yeah.
Braille is not original. Is that animated arrow here? Third floor. Oj! Ursäkta.
Ettan. Vanligt ettan. Ettan.
Ja, ettan.
Ja, just det, det är den här.
E for an entrée, or entréplan, and the lights are still original here.
Yeah. Inspected by the grant, maintained by Kony.
still, it could have been a bit faster.
Yeah.
The chime are not working.
Yeah. That's